Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about something very interesting. So yesterday on the 7th of February, Microsoft announced the new Microsoft Edge and also the new Microsoft Bing that is now AI powered. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the new Microsoft Edge update looks and of course how to install it because maybe you want to try it out. And in addition to that, we're going to talk about a few changes that have been applied to that version and also what you can expect from this AI integration into the Microsoft Edge and also into Microsoft Bing. So if you enjoy videos like these in which we talk about different updates to Windows apps, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, we're going to use the normal Microsoft Edge to show you how to install the new version of the Microsoft Edge, and by that you're also going to see the difference between those two. So you're going to have a download link in the article below in the video description, and you have to download the dev channel build or the Microsoft Edge. Just go and click on download for Windows 10 and 11 and install it. It's really simple. Now we have here the dev channel Edge version. Maybe you can see some changes right away because Microsoft worked on implementing or matching the Microsoft Edge experience with the Windows 11 experience overall. If you're looking here, you're going to notice only rounded corners. Even this settings section has rounded corners. The tabs are now more rounded than ever, and also some tooltips received updates with rounded corners. The settings section and also the settings that you can find are pretty much the same, of course, because the browser has a lot of improvements to the appearance section. But as I've said, Microsoft is starting working on the new Microsoft Edge and also the new Microsoft Bing experience with the AI integration. You can just click on this icon in the right side to go and get on the wait list. Hopefully this will not be a paid feature or something like that. Hopefully this will be a feature that will be available for everyone. And also I love these new sections that are created once you open an extension or something like that. I think the browser looks very nice. So let me just tell you a few things about this AI integration. With this new AI integration, we will have a better search with an improved version of the familiar search experience, providing more relevant results and also complete answers and a new chat experience. An interesting thing that I found in the Microsoft blog post is that we will be able to use AI even to create an itinerary for a vacation. So for example, you can create a 5-day itinerary for a vacation to Hawaii as an example, with links to book your travel and accommodations or even prep for a job interview or something like that. I think this will be very useful because AI will power all of this. And with this AI integration, you're going to have much more features that you will be able to use. You will be able to automatically compose emails and so on. In this new Microsoft Edge, of course, you also have the vertical tabs, which is a pretty interesting experience. So you just go and click here and then turn on vertical tabs and your tabs will be vertically positioned. I'm not sure that this is the best way to use your monitor space, but it looks interesting if you ask me. And as you can see, we have nice animations and I think Microsoft is going in the right direction, and I'm looking forward to seeing how these new AI powered tools will help out users. And this is how the new Bing.com website looks right now. For now, from what I've tested, I think this is only available as a preview or for testing purposes on the phone. So I was able to use the AI on the phone. On the computer, I'm not really sure why it is not working, but I'm assuming that it is because I'm on the wait list and in the near future I will get access to it. But in the article below in the video description, we're going to have more info about topics or situations that can allow the AI to help you, and I think this is pretty cool. So as I've said, we can just go ahead and download the new Microsoft Edge from the article below in the video description, and you can test it out along with the new Bing and AI integration. Let me know below in the comments what you think about this new Microsoft Edge version and the new integration with AI. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.